So these two inequalities, 2x plus y is less than 8 and 3x minus y is greater than 8. That's our system, and we know x is 1. So plug in 1 so that we plug in 1 for x, and that gives me 2 plus y is less than 8, y is less than 6. And the other one, 3 minus y is greater than 8, negative y greater than 5. Now you've got to flip your inequality symbol because you're dividing by a negative number, negative 5. Now, these started out as true inequalities. So both of these are true. Y is less than 6 and y is less than negative 5. So I'm going to graph that on the number line. If y is less than 6, 6 is not included, but you shade to the left. And now negative 5, I'll start another color, negative 5 is not included, so open circle, and it goes this way. It's and, so you take what's in common between y is less than 6 and y is less than negative 5. So look at my number line, and where is it double shaded? From here down. So which of the following must be true? Y is less than negative 5.